In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of setting up your Stealth 600 and connecting it wirelessly over Bluetooth. Now, something that I need to make extremely clear is that you will only be able to use Bluetooth natively on the newer model of the Stealth 600. So as you can see in this example here, in this image, the Stealth 600 Gen 2 does not feature Bluetooth. And according to my research, this is also going to be true for the way older Gen 1. So as it stands today, the Gen 1 and Gen 2 will not be able to be connected over Bluetooth. I just wanted to make the distinction very clear. You will be able to tell if you have the older models because they will not have a dedicated Bluetooth button. However, if you have the newer Gen 3 Stealth 600, it is going to have Bluetooth, and you will be able to connect it to any device that supports Bluetooth connectivity for audio devices, such as a PC or a mobile device. Keep in mind that, according to my knowledge, Xbox consoles will not support this. I cannot guarantee that it is going to work for PlayStation as well, but for PC and mobile devices, it should work flawlessly. So, all that you have to do is use the physical button on the controller itself. This is going to be the mode switch button. So you press this button to switch the modes, and once you see some sort of LED indicator telling you that Bluetooth is good to go, you power it on, and then you will be able to press the Bluetooth mode to set it into pairing mode. Usually you will see some quick flashing lights to indicate that it is in pairing mode, and then you can go to the Bluetooth settings on any device, enable Bluetooth, and choose it from the list when you choose the option to add a device. So it's as simple as putting it into the appropriate pairing mode, and then you will find it under the list of available devices. Like I mentioned before, because the Gen 1 and Gen 2 do not support Bluetooth, usually you will be using a USB dongle. So you plug this dongle into any of the available ports on your platform, such as PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. And with this dongle, you will be able to press the physical button on the headset and on the dongle itself to connect them together. But if you have the newer gen, just press the Bluetooth pairing button. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.